It's made for sound. I just made the sound good. Shake a little something. Nothing too crazy.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
All right, my name's David, man. A lot of people call me Mr. Stunt Sunday. Been doing this here for a while, man. 96 Impala, 16 speakers, man. PRV, 410 L7s in the trunk, 4th order in a fiberglass box, 10 TVs. You know, it ain't super loud, man, but it's made for sound. So I just made the sound good. Shake a little something. Nothing too crazy.
How many TVs?
10 TVs, man. 1 in each door, 3 in the center console, 2 in the trunk, 1 in the dash.
Wow.
Yeah, all fiberglassed up by my man Wizard Fabrications in Virginia Beach, Norfolk area. My bad, Norfolk area.
Wow. Appreciate it, man.
No problem,
that's awesome.
Man.
And those are kicker subs back there.
Kicker L7s, man. Old schools, man.
Are those the 10s or 12s?
The 10s.
10s, okay.
10s, yep.
They're real punchy, you can tell.
Yeah, man.
Wow. You got TVs in the door.
Yep, center console, the back trunk.
Wow. Is this okay. What year and vehicle?
96 Impala.
Are those kickers?
Yeah, kickers, yeah.
Wow, those are old school ones?
Yeah, L7.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Wow.
No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. 1 bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dump like an athlete. Big truck, what you call it? Big truck. Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford it. You got the bag, but can't afford it. Baby, I ride it like a jet ski. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They love me cause I rock the beat, the athlete. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me. Hop in the coupe, then I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast 6, hold on like a trampoline. Take a break out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. This man look, I know how to handle it. Let the candle up, make you put a banner up. Also 50 up, make them tear the club up. Took your bitch out the game, I had to sub up. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. 1 bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Big drip. Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford it. You got the bag, but can't afford it. Pick the name, easy maker, open up and eat it. Stars in the ceiling in my sheets, they take for greedy. I see them niggas watching and they plotting, trying to sneak me. I can't hear the thought, can't choose a thought, they tellin' secrets. Big back, take, look back, little nigga. Shut you down, better nigga, cry on the rubber. Long from my back, I'm taking care of the whole village. Somebody got shot, what you talking about? Willis in the lobby with a brick, Bobby with your bitch. I go Lawrence with the feet, in the rubber with no tip. I'm from the trench, I got the dirty money rich. People poppin', so I pop and pray to God, bitch. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dog like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Big drip. Ice champion, you got the can, but can't afford it. You got the bad, but can't afford it. Take off. Don't limit to the money. I think the young gun took the flight across the country. I took the way she told me keep the ones coming. Keep the story, get some backwoods and left the way running. Nigga like no blind food, already done. Nigga love, it's a lane like that bad that she wanted. A lot of teens ass bustin' like them J's like you want it. Take you wanna spend a 50, hit the same with a dollar. Whole team full of green, gotta keep it eyes on. I'm Australian and I'm an alien. I sit by the club with this shit is so money, but I love it, baby. When I jump out the whip, when I hop out the whip, in the fresh in the ladies. I do what I want and I'm supposed to be faded. I drink till I pass out, I wake up and drink up again. I pull up again and again. I said I wasn't gonna fall with that bitch and I fought her again. I scream out the door in the sewer, the street turn a boy to a man. I know that I put that Ruger, I took your bitch to a room. She from a super, cause she got that super. When I say super, that's your super feel. We never gon' lose, we never gon' lose. Never gon' lose, cause these bitches gon' choose. These bitches gon' be who they is. Walking and talking like Jackson, you want to your heart, you want to see your heart. You know I be working that boy before. Serving that boy out the back of the yard. Fuck on your horns and play in my car. Real back the flip, I'm in it to brush. Flip on the lane like a flip from that dog. Hop in the spurt in my hop in the Porsche. Telly them daddy can gather the squad. Yeah, gather the squad. Me and my niggas up all fucking tight. You can't even tell us apart. Fuck a bitch every single day and night. Ain't never the avatar. Really in the corner and feel like I'm swimming on that bar. Get the vibe on the burgers and the Xanax like it's some powder. I remember 19 years saying we ain't falling off. I'm on a lot of green and got an ass green when I hit the plane. Now 40. I got a magazine with no magazine, just ride around this 40. She gon' die for me, she gon' die for me, and I'm high, yo, that's my strut. We ain't playing around, these guys are real, we gon' go outside your noggin. You see they tryna sabotage me, nigga poppin'. They wasn't playing fair, no. Riches the photo, she counting the photo. We said that Coco, you talking the popo. You know that's a no-no, you know that's a no-no. No, that's a no-no. Give out the dope on, serve out the penny, yo. Bitch on your penny, you penny, yo. Paint the job, this ain't no panties on. Bitch, you stepping in, no panties on. With these stallions, yo. Back the back with these stallions, yo. Like she truck after truck, I just carry on. Got this sack on me now, I just carry it. Got some hills on the wall.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That was awesome.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop